Hello everyone and welcome to Howdy. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of
Kalpatru.
Avante by
Kalpatru.
Group. You see the project is located at Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project and this is your marketing office and right behind you is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly with Housey. In the video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. The first one is the project overview.
Kalpatru.
Vante is a premium high-rise residential project which is going to be developed on approximately 3 acres of land parcel and single tower, featuring 3 basements plus ground 14 floors, multiple residential towers with high floors offering 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located at Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. Now, you see the nearby connectivities. You see, this is your entire locality. This is the main road of Sanat Nagar. The Eragadda metro station is only few minutes from here. Sanat Nagar commercial zone is only 10 minutes away from here. Amirpet being a short drive from here. High-tech city being only 25 minutes away from here. Coming over to the amenities, like I mentioned, the project provides you with world-class amenities like a clubhouse which is going to be 22,000 square feet. You are going to have your outdoor and indoor gym area. There's going to be swimming pool area. There's also going to be spa area, kids play area and many more. Coming to the super built up area, as mentioned, the project is offering you super built up area approximately for 2 BHK 1,200 to 1,350 square feet and 3 BHK 1,600 to 2,260 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing and the payment plans as well. You will also be taken to shown the sample flat and the exact site of the project. If the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of
Kalpatru.
Avante by
Kalpatru.
Group, which is located in Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing videos.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.